All right. This is a live test of the Ecoflow River Max. We have 99 hours, it says, and 96% battery. 2 watts output is what it's saying. Charged it up all the way yesterday, and gonna do the first test to make sure we're gonna be good for the tailgate with my Rec Tec 340. So here we go. Let's turn it on. We'll keep it on the box. I'm gonna hit the power button. Okay. All right. This is what we have. Real cut on, and it's at set point 240, and it's cooking. It's showing the output that's going out. So I had a quick spike when it first came up. Initial surge to get everything going, and then it started balancing itself out. So with the grill at 240, it's telling me right now that I have 4 hours that I can cook off of this box. I don't know if that will remain true, if I can get longer time out of it. I'm gonna take it up just a little bit more. What if I wanted a little more heat? Well, now it says 5 hours, it's balancing itself out. It's getting a reading on here. I'm gonna take it up to about, let's say 300. What if I wanted to do hot dogs? If I wanted to do some things kicking pretty quick. I got it at set point now, 350, and it's actually 92 degrees inside the Rec Tec 340 right now, tailgater pellet grill. Says I can cook for 5 hours. If that's true, that's good. I got plenty of time to do some tailgating. That's some cooking. I can't say that's too bad. I'll have to get back later on and have an update on actual cook time. Just so you know that I really have a grill going. Let's come up here. And you see the smoke starting to come out of that dude already. Yeah, buddy. And says I can run this. Output is 109 watts, 108. It may even balance out once it gets up to temperature, but I think that's gonna do good at 95%. 5 hours. If you can't cook something in 5 hours and you tailgate, I think you're in trouble. Alright, J.O.A.T. We'll be back again with an update. Peace. Alright, so we back. Set point 350. Actual 354. This thing has been doing pretty good on temperature the Rec Tec has. Back over to the power box. So it's telling me it's going back and forth, I guess, as it gives the power that it needs to keep everything. And looks like I will have no less than 10 hours of cooking time, and no more than about 18. So I don't know if you split that, how you do the math on that, but once everything is running, it looks like I can cook for 10 hours off of one charge of this Ecoflow. I think that's enough for a day of cooking. Might even be able to cook something slow. But I got it set at 350 and I got 10 hours of cooking. You ought to be able to get you something to eat. So I think this Ecoflow is going to do good. I'm going to test it out this weekend at my son's soccer matches. We're going to be there all day long at the soccer field. So I think it's going to be good. That's why I got the tailgater. That's why I got this power box. And I think we're going to have what we need. This is going to be good. It's going to be real good. And if I have a power outage at the house, then we're going to be all right. So far so good on the Ecoflow River Max. We'll holler at y'all next time.